The customers that we have here and the books that I've seen are amazing just because of the sheer range of information and knowledge that it comes through our door every day.
I can't count the number of times I've come across, a customer who had a really, really interesting piece of content in a genre that I didn't even know existed.
We have people that write about anything and everything.
Ooh, my favorite Lulu project.
There are so many.
That's a really tough question because there are so many cool books on Lulu.
My favorite Lulu book is a recreation of Moby Dick that is completely compiled of emojis, and it's titled Emoji Dick.
Big-bellied merbabes.
Baboon Fart Story.
The oldest woman in the world.
Coffee table book of rejected coffee table books.
There's also a book on my desk about the flat earth theory.
You can self-publish anything you want, and if you believe in it, you can sell it.
The customers that I've really enjoyed talking to have been customers that are older and they're writing memoirs. I think that's the coolest thing.
I was just on our website the other day and I looked through the store and I found a book about World War II, about my grandfather's actual group that he was in World War II.
A woman who is a long-distance trucker.
This gentleman was actually a Holocaust survivor and had to flee Latvia.
That was inspired by the event of losing his mother.
To my surprise, they sent me a signed photo and card where all of the inmates were writing cool little notes to me.
And I still have that book in the sweet note that she sent me.
He started crying on the phone, and then he said, "I'm gonna go out on my porch and smoke a cigar in your honor." And that was fantastic.
Every single person who uses our platform represents somebody who one day had an idea and saw it through to completion.
Being so vulnerable and sharing that with the world is really commendable.
They give themselves to this project. They share a bit of themselves with the world, and it takes a lot of guts to do that.
Taking something you want to share and putting it on a platform where it's easily shareable is a noble thing.
And a lot of these people have jobs, which is so incredibly impressive that they're able to devote that time.
That determination and that perseverance, I think, is a really cool thing to watch.
Thank you so much for allowing us to be the company that you use to move your dreams forward.
Thank you for making books. Thank you for making your thoughts and your content known to the world.
Thank you for having so much energy and creative ideas. You make every day so interesting.
Thank you for being so incredibly unique.
For continually surprising us.
Merci de partager votre talent avec le reste du monde.
Thank you so much for putting in the time and the work to publish your books, because we wouldn't be here without you.
You make the work we do here worth it every single day.